Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And I'm really sorry I was not able to put out any videos last week because of some intense travel. So one more thing I said, I'm not going to buy any Hot Wheels and all unless or until in one scenario, someone is actually giving, selling it for MRP or they're telling me to get it for MRP. So I got some Hot Wheels for MRP, more specifically this Fast and the Furious set and couple of main lines. I don't know, maybe 10 or so main lines. But we are not going to unbox that this week. So I really want to showcase some premiums which I bought because I already told and I have a lot of premiums and I am still buying a lot of premiums. So I just want to showcase some, at least some in the channel before I start another wave of Majorette or buy like Hot Wheels or Matchbox, something like that. So let's start with this week. This is the one. I know this is not exactly a premium brand or premium segment, but this brand really nailed that um, Lamborghini Scion, Scion Roadster, which we unboxed. I don't know, maybe 6 months back or so. So some people actually came to me and said, there was a Valkyrie, by this brand, and they asked me to unbox it, but I didn't buy it that time. I bought it a bit later on. So this brand really nailed the detailing part, and that Scion looked absolutely amazing. So I actually bought two of it. One I kept it outside. One I still have it in package. So I didn't open that another Scion. It is still sealed. I really want to open and see what color that is. So this one I think I bought it for somewhere around 450, around that range, 400, 450. But honestly, for that price range, it was really worth that money which you are paying. It had really good detailing, rubber tires, and all these things. I really want to see how this one actually looks because Mini GT made this casting and people went nuts over it. So this one I don't know. I Someone actually told me that it has acrylic headlights. I don't know if it is true, but I really want to see that. So this is the very first one we are going to unbox. And next one, so if you saw the shots before this video, you might know what this casting is. So this is the Pagani Utopia. So this is by CCA along with a brand called Modern Dream. I never heard about this brand, but someone in the comment section sometime back, I think a week, maybe 2 weeks back. So they meant 3 weeks back, when I put the CCA video, that 400 rupees segment video, mid-range video, you can say. So in that one of that video, someone actually mentioned that there is a premium version of CCA. So that point of time, I actually thought about that particular segment, not about this. So I'm recording this video on a Saturday. So this when I today I went out, just to roam. So I went to a shop and I saw this. So immediately it hit me that okay, this is what he was talking about, and it was only one available at that time. I actually asked the shopkeeper, whether they have more of it or at least any other models. So this is the last one left. You can see a little bit of damage in the box here. It is a little bit like crooked here. So this is what I actually bought finally. So this costed me around 1400 rupees, but the packaging looks really premium. It is huge as well, but this scale says one is 64. I need to see how it differs from Mini GT because we have this casting from Hot Wheels, we have this casting from CCS, that mid-range segment, and I don't know if okay, I don't have a Utopia in any premium, so this might be the very first one. I have Imola by CCM, so that is a like I think it's a color shifting purple if I'm not wrong. So that is a really absolutely amazing casting. So with that said, this is the second one we are going to unbox this week. The final one, which is this. So this is a brand called Trends Hobby. This is actually as far as I know, it's a new brand. So this is actually I didn't buy this. So this is actually a gift from one of my friend, or you can say a follower as well. So he reached out to me and told that he likes my content and everything. So he surprised me with this. So I told him I don't require anything like that, but he just appreciated. This is his way of showing his appreciation. So thank you so much. His name is Shubham. So he actually has a website. So I will be linking his website link in this video. This I am planning to upload this video on this coming Saturday. So if you want to check out his site and the castings which he actually has a very good wave of castings, and brands as well, like Transabi, Tarmac, upcoming Tarmac pre-orders, some unique castings which I never saw in other websites. So I'm not saying just because he gifted me this. I honestly went into his website and I placed another order as well. As of today, again, I'm recording this video on Saturday. So by today morning, when I was checking his site, I saw one Nissan Sylvia, I guess, like this manga kind of livery. So I immediately placed an order with him. So there is one more which I'm looking out. So I'm planning to place an order soon on that one. So again, I will be linking this particular website along with this particular video. So stay tuned for that as well. So with that said, guys, these three will be this week's video. So stay tuned for this, and I really want to know if CCA, what other casting CCA has released in this particular wave. So if you know any site, again, I bought this in a shop. I went to multiple shops, to be honest. So I don't know. I think I bought this in Santosh Supermarket. If I'm not wrong, I need to recheck that. So if you guys see this particular box anywhere, do let me know. If it's more specifically, if it is any website, do let me know. And Trends Hobby is having a lot of awesome castings for that price point, like 1400 1500 range. Honestly, it is giving a really good competition to both Pop Race and Mini GT, to be very frank. So we will be reviewing this, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.